Have you ever woken up in the morning feeling tired, bloated, or heavy, even after sleeping well? If yes, you're not alone. Now imagine if one simple homemade drink could change your entire day, improving your digestion, burning fat, and making your body feel light and energetic. In this video, we're sharing with you a proven morning detox drink that millions of people around the world are using and seeing amazing results from. Let's learn how to make this drink, which ingredients are used, how it affects your body, and how and when to drink it properly. Morning time is the most important for your body. After waking up, your stomach is empty, your body is dehydrated, and it's ready to absorb nutrients. That's the perfect moment to give it the right start. But most of us start our day with tea, coffee, or a heavy breakfast, which puts pressure on the digestive system. If you truly want to improve your digestion, reduce belly fat, and clean up your body, then this morning drink is perfect for you. Now let's understand the natural ingredients and their powerful benefits. Warm water flushes out toxins, wakes up your digestive system, hydrates your cells. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, melts fat, supports liver cleansing, and alkalizes the body. Apple cider vinegar balances blood sugar, reduces belly fat, improves insulin sensitivity, controls appetite. Cinnamon boosts metabolism, reduces hunger, and lowers inflammation. Honey, optional, provides natural energy, improves taste, and helps digestion. Black pepper, optional, helps absorb nutrients, supports fat breakdown, and adds thermogenic effect. Ingredients: 1 glass of warm water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon unfiltered apple cider vinegar, ½ teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, a pinch of black pepper, optional. How to make it: warm the water slightly, add all the ingredients, mix well, and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Here are some of the amazing benefits of this drink. It reduces belly fat, improves digestion, relieves gas and constipation, cleanses the liver, clears up the skin, and gives you energy for the whole day. How to use it: for the first 7 days, drink it daily on an empty stomach. For the next 3 weeks, drink it 5 days a week. After that, you can reduce it to 2 to 3 times a week for maintenance. You will start noticing results within 3 to 7 days. But wait, if you have any of the following conditions, avoid this drink or talk to your doctor first: stomach ulcers, severe acidity, kidney problems, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Important tips: only drink it once a day. Don't make it too strong. Rinse your mouth after drinking to protect your teeth from acidity. Bonus tips for best results: drink it 30 minutes before breakfast. Avoid fried, processed, and junk food. Go for a short walk every morning. Increase your water intake throughout the day. Get proper sleep and avoid stress. Frequently asked questions. Can I use lime instead of lemon? Yes, you can. Can I use cold water instead of warm? No, warm water is best for this drink. Can I drink it while fasting? Yes, you can drink it at suhoor or iftar time. Remember, losing weight or becoming healthy is not magic. It takes consistency. If you drink this simple detox mix every day, you will start seeing incredible benefits. Start today for your body, your health, and your life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel HealthPath Now, and comment below. I'm starting this drink today. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. May you always stay healthy, strong, and peaceful.